Hey guys, welcome back. Neil here. It's been a while. But yeah, today we're going to talk about the most laid back way for you to earn more coins and pixels for you to get more pixel. And I've talked about this before. I just want to emphasize that this is one of the most stable way for you to earn more coins. First one is the cow milk. You can just give moments to this cow if you don't know how to craft this or you are unable to craft this in any lands. You can just buy Mumunch from the marketplace and just give it to this cow. In my experience, I get around 1 to 2 cow milk for every 5 Mumunch. So for me, it's a good ROI given that you can still sell cow turd aside from getting the profit from the cow milk. So the next one that I would really advise for you guys to do is the mukchuk meat. So if you don't know how to level up your winemaking skill, you can just craft any wines for you to level up your winemaking. The best way to do it is to go south of Terravilla and then use this winemaking machine right here. So if you craft Mumunch, it would take around 7 hours for you to get this. If we're going to check Mumunch from pixels.tips, it's one of the crafting that has a lot of profit. So if we check winemaking here, mukchuk mead, you can craft this for around 7 hours and you get a total of 12,000 profit per 12 of this mukchuk. If you still can craft this, you can probably start with crafting grumpkin wine or probably lower level wines like grain shine. They are still in profit, so that's a good thing. You can level up while getting some profit by crafting this low level wines. Once you reach level 26, the total cost for this is around 65,000 coins and you get to sell it for around 76,000 coins, giving you a profit of around 10,000 to 11,000 coins. Pretty good for just a very laid back farming way. Now for the last one, but before that, I have some exciting news for everyone. Pixelverse, a quest-based battling game where users can collect resources and craft their bots for PvE and PvP battles, has just launched its Play to Airdrop campaign. This offers players the chance to earn points that qualify them for an airdrop of 10 million PixFi tokens. Right now, it's very easy to increase your airdrop points. You can sign up using the link in the comments and you can get an instant plus 500 airdrop when you sign up using my referral code. After that, you can add more airdrop points by fully setting up your account by changing your username and adding your Telegram, Twitter, and Discord accounts. Every day, you can feed your bot for more Pix points. You can also refer your friends to the game and you and your referral will get additional points. If you want to experience the game, you can visit play.pixelverse.xyz and try their game art and first map. More info in the description. Now for the last one, if you are already level 26 in cooking, you guys can see here that it is one of the most laid back way for you to earn. And the reason why is because some of this cooking take time for you to cook. Some even takes around 2 hours, some just less than an hour. But if you guys are gonna check the energy tab right here, you can see that dry maple glazed grumpkin slabs is one of the in-demand crafting right now, the one that gives good coin per energy ratio. That's why it's still being bought in the marketplace. So yeah, you can always check energy first and see what items get bought fast, given that they are in demand. So in this case, for cooking, you can make dry maple glazed grumpkin slabs and then moist maple glazed carrot slab. So you can check it here, guys. Very good profit per minute ratio as well as profit per energy, and you just need to leave it for 35 minutes or more every time you cook. Now if you don't have enough levels for you to craft this, you can start leveling up by clicking on sort items by, and then right here, guys, click on XP per minute. So in this case, guys, you can start crafting maybe the one that has good profit per minute as well. So you can craft pancakes or more pancakes for you to start leveling up while you are gaining some profit. And again, guys, once you have level 26, which I am still trying to achieve, I'm still level 21 and I think it's one of the hardest skill to level up at the moment. And yes, let me know your thoughts, guys, and if you are doing this aside from just farming. This is just all. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.